Welcome to the Wisdom Palmistry YouTube channel. This is the place where we explore fascinating secrets about the palm and destiny. Today, I will be analyzing in detail a palm print with many prominent features, helping you better understand your personality, career, and love life. If this is your first time visiting the channel, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment to support us. Now let's get started. Today, I'm excited to receive your palmistry analysis. You were born in 2000 and you are 24 years old this year. First, when I take a look at your palm overall, I see that you have a very wide palm. The skin on your palm is quite thin. With this type of palm, you are someone with a more introverted personality than extroverted. Additionally, you are a person who prefers peace, stability, and a life without too much competition. This type of palm indicates that jobs that are stable and secure would be suitable for you. These could include technical fields or professions that require deep research, such as teaching, medicine, or engineering. Stable careers are a better fit for you. Your thumb has a clear and beautiful phoenix eye line. This shows that you are very intelligent. With this kind of palm, you also have a high level of creativity and an open personality. Therefore, you could try working in creative or artistic professions. Your lifeline is rounded and curved, indicating that you have good vitality and that health problems are not too serious. However, in the years before you turn 30, I notice many small lines cutting into your lifeline. This suggests that you may face some issues that need attention, especially regarding travel, business, far from home, or when using vehicles. Additionally, your heart line and lifeline separate early, indicating that you have an independent personality, always eager to do things on your own. You tend to be self-reliant, start working early, and always take the initiative in every situation. However, during this stage, your lifeline is crossed by many small lines, somewhat faint and scattered. You should pay particular attention to health and family matters, as there may be some changes in your life during this period. Overall, your lifeline is very wide and wraps around the Mount of Venus, showing that you are someone who always thinks of others. However, you are also quite dreamy. Sometimes your dreams can become unrealistic. Therefore, try to live more practically and clearly define your life goals. In general, every job requires a clear goal, and everything needs direction and purpose. Only when you have a specific goal can you achieve success. Otherwise, you might easily fall into a state of unrealistic dreaming. There are upward lines on your lifeline, showing that you have strong support from your family and those around you. This indicates that you are protected and loved by your family, helped by your parents and siblings, and have blessings in building social relationships. This is a great blessing from your past life that you carry with you. On your Mount of Venus, good signs such as small square shapes appear quite clearly, indicating that you are likely suited for fields related to real estate, land, or legal documents. The healthy pink color of the Mount of Venus also shows that your health is quite stable and not prone to major concerns. Additionally, a line descending from the lifeline towards the wrist forms the travel line, signaling that you may have opportunities for business dealings away from home, in other provinces, or even abroad. These opportunities typically bring fortune and development compared to staying close to home. Although you receive a lot of support from your family, you need to step out and become more independent to mature. If you keep relying on family support, your growth will slow down. Furthermore, you have opportunities to engage with wealth and power, but your tendency to be easily swayed by others and your dreamy nature make you more suited for creative work or roles that support others rather than running your own business. You should avoid expanding your business or starting a venture because you might struggle with making decisions and be easily influenced by emotions. Instead, you should work under someone else's guidance, such as being a consultant or support staff. You are good at communication and providing advice, but when handling everything on your own, you may lack decisiveness. In the palm of your hand, there is a faint triangle, known as the blessing triangle, along with the boat of wisdom symbol. These signs indicate that you will lead a peaceful life with minimal significant financial or career troubles. However, your inner self will always grapple with big questions such as, "Who am I?" or What is the purpose of my life? This is a sign that you need to spend time understanding yourself and clearly defining your life's direction. I often experience internal struggles that make me reflect and suffer deeply. Because of this, you may face many difficulties, drifting through life, and even lack the energy to finish tasks well. Especially around the age of 30, you are prone to feeling stuck and may go through a midlife crisis. If you realize this early, I advise you to find a passion or a life goal to pursue and strive towards. Reduce daydreaming, be more practical, take more risks, and venture out to find development opportunities. Sometimes you overthink, which causes you to miss many opportunities. Therefore, clearly define your goals like a ship on the sea that needs a specific direction. Your life is the same. When you have a clear goal, you will easily achieve great success. Your palm has a clear triangle, indicating great blessings. The line of Mercury extends up to the Mount of Venus, showing that you are good at speaking, humorous, and have the ability to use words in your work, such as being an advisor, a presenter, or a teacher. This is a sign of someone skilled in communication, even capable of earning money through their verbal abilities. On the Mount of Venus, there are many lines of fortune, showing that you can generate income from various sources, though not always regularly. Your later years will be very good, but your middle years, before the age of 40, may face challenges in relationships. You might be quite charming and place a lot of importance on emotions in your work. It's important for you to stay grounded, set clear goals, and be determined to pursue them. Keep improving your knowledge and persist in carrying out your plans. If you often daydream and wander in thought, it can easily lead to failure. Your lifeline is clear, showing that you are good at handling relationships and are well-liked, receiving plenty of support from others. However, after 40, this line becomes less distinct, suggesting a decline in intellect. You may experience forgetfulness or difficulty concentrating. In fact, you may already show signs of difficulty remembering information and may need creative associations to better recall things. You have an M-shaped hand, which shows you are a bit stubborn, prefer not to ask for help, and prefer doing things on your own. Combined with the phoenix eye markings on your thumb, you are very intelligent, spiritually aware, and always seek knowledge. With this hand shape, you are particularly suited for spiritual work or fields related to spirituality. This may involve worship, healing, introspection, or activities related to meditation and Buddhist teachings. Overall, you are inclined towards spiritual matters and human relationships. The heart line on your palm runs up towards the Mount of Jupiter, which is a very positive sign, showing that you have a kind heart and are always drawn to humanistic and Buddhist values. However, your Mount of Jupiter has many intersecting lines, which is not the best sign. It reflects that your ability to manage and express yourself may lack confidence, and you may have a tendency towards self-doubt. If you become a leader, you might face difficulties in managing your team or earning others' respect. You would be better suited for roles where you support others, such as an advisor or helper. Running your own business might be a significant challenge due to management difficulties. The spaces between your fingers are tight, indicating that you have good financial management skills and a strong ability to save. Although this hand does not show quick wealth, over time, you will tend to accumulate steadily. After the age of 40, your life will improve significantly, leading to a relatively prosperous existence. Your heart line is long, deep, and uninterrupted, indicating that your marriage is generally good. However, you are a thinker and sometimes can be picky, even suspicious of others. This may affect your relationship. Therefore, you need to be more realistic, stop daydreaming, and communicate and share more with your partner. This will help strengthen your marriage. If you are not yet married, 2025 will be a good year to settle down. This year, you are in your zodiac year, the year of the dragon, so pay more attention to your health. Getting married after the age of 28 will be more suitable for a stable marriage. If you're already married, be cautious with any conflicts. Your marriage line is faint, and the spaces between your fingers are open, a sign that conflicts could arise, potentially even leading to divorce if both partners are not mature enough. From the ages of 40 to 45 onwards, you will achieve financial stability and won't have to worry much. This hand also shows that you are always under protection and have blessings, helping your life to be more fulfilling. This is a beautiful hand with many positive signs. This concludes my analysis of your palm. If you found this video useful, please hit like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss upcoming content. Thank you for taking the time to watch Wisdom Palmistry. I wish you good luck and success in life. See you in the next video.